In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to Bank of America. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option to Cash App or withdraw money from your Cash App balance to a Bank of America or any other institution. So first, open the latest version of Cash App. You will have to link your Bank of America account. So I'm gonna show you how to do this, but if you have already linked your Bank of America account to Cash App, you can skip ahead. To do this, tap on your profile icon, usually at the top left corner of the home screen, and you will be able to see your account details. If you scroll down under Account and Settings, one of the options is going to be Linked Banks. So all that you have to do is go over to Linked Banks, and you will see a list of all the cards and banks that have been attributed to your Cash App profile. Now, to link your Bank of America account, choose Link Bank. You will then see a list of institutions. You will find Bank of America among the top institutions, and of course, you can look for alternative ones, or you can look for Bank of America if you don't see it right away. So choose Bank of America, and this will redirect you into their application where you can sign in using your credentials, like the username and password. Alternatively, you can also link any institution using your debit or credit card. So once the Bank of America account has been properly linked to Cash App, you will be able to initiate the withdrawal request. So go back to your money page where you can see your balance, and there are going to be two buttons at the top, Add Cash and Cash Out. And as the name suggests, to withdraw your money, you just have to select Cash Out. Immediately upon choosing Cash Out, you will be able to customize this transfer. So choose the amount that you want to cash out from the available balance that you have. Choose if you want to do a standard transfer, which can take up some business days, or an instant transfer with a small fee, and then confirm that you want to withdraw it to the Bank of America account that you linked. You will be able to confirm this withdrawal with your PIN and get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Cash App to Bank of America. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.